Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a new project and importing your portrait footage so Premiere recognizes resolution and frame rate. Next, make a new sequence with custom settings, set frame size to 1080 x 1920 or desired vertical size, and match the clip's FPS. This keeps motion and speed intact. Once done, adjust scratch disks and save a version project file. This first step prevents downstream scaling and cropping issues, and gets you editing in true portrait pixels from the outset. With your portrait sequence ready, drag a clip to the timeline and decline automatic sequence adjustments if asked. You already customized settings. In Effect Controls, adjust scale and position to center the subject and fill vertical space. Rotate only if needed for stabilization. Add an adjustment layer above for color correction and LUTs so grading applies uniformly. Use guides or a vertical safe overlay to keep key action inside the 9/16 safe area. This keeps composition consistent across edits. When you finish, choose Export Media with Format H, 264 and preset match source, high bitrate, then manually confirm the frame size is 1080 x 1920 or your vertical target. Once exported, play the file at full resolution and test on the intended device. Mobile players can reveal framing issues. If you see black bars or unexpected cropping, make sure both the sequence settings and individual clip scale/position are set to portrait values, and relinked clips haven't inherited horizontal presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.